There are 4 different meanings. How exciting. One of them is like a cup and saucer. By the way, a cup, not a mug. A cup has about 200 mils in it, unless it's a breakfast cup, in which case it's bigger. So that sort of cup. Or if you want to win the cup in football, hooray! It's a sort of like a trophy, that sort of a cup. Whereas certainly if you won the cup in football and they gave you a nice cup of tea, I think you would be justified in feeling a little bit disappointed. So those are the nouns, those are things. A cup, a cup. On the other hand, you can cup. You can say, if you were to, oi, shouted the boy, and he cupped his hands around his mouth to make it. Or to cup your hands like that, if you were holding a little mouse, you'd say, look, it's a bit difficult. Cup your hands and we'll put the mouse in. It's to make a cup, or to it's that sort of action with your hands. Or, you're not likely to come across this one, it's an old-fashioned sort of technique where the doctor would cup you, and they would take this glass sort of vase thing, put a heated candle, sort of a flame, and go, ooh, get all the air out, and then stick it on you, I think probably on your back, and then it would go, and all your skin would suck up, and it would suck out the evil humours, and your skin would actually go. Not medically useful, I don't think. So don't try it at home. And it will leave you with all of these apparently red sort of nasty rings. Horrible. So cup and saucer, cup meaning trophy, cup meaning hands, and an old-fashioned medical technique. See you soon.